I think I'm dead. Oh God, Jesus. My back. What am I gonna do? I'm stuck here forever. What do you think I should do? I'll be stuck here forever. Well, my fluff. Camera's all snowy. I'm a unicorn. Unicorn. Okay. Okay, let's try to get out of here. Big snow hill right here. Like 3 feet. I don't think the door's gonna open today. Let's try to crawl my way out. Oh God. Snow in my hands. Snow in my hands. Okay. How are we gonna do this? Try to get this door open. Oh, this camera's snowy. Okay, that's not working. Oh God, I just fell. Oh my God. Oh God. Chris. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna be here for a while. So, have fun, all you people in wherever you live. Red little light on my camera. Pretty red light on my camera. Snow in my face. Snow in my face. What does this button do? Let's see what this does. Oh, it zooms it out. I see. Well, ow, snow in my face. Evil snow gods. Why? Today's my birthday. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. Birdies flying in the sky. Wow, would you look at that? I'm low on battery. Goodbye, people. Secondness of my video of Storm 2011. Dog. There's our grill. Our grill was all the way over there in the Windwood. My house. There's me. There's that giant hill of awesomeness. Let's go walk on it. Let's go see what happens. Hey, I'm like 10 feet. Usually, like, what? Whoa. I'm 10 feet taller than I usually am. It's the poltergeist. Okay. Ugh, God. Let me take it. Oh, come on. Okay, you don't want to see that. Stairs. It's like something out of a horror apocalypse movie. Aren't all apocalypse movies horror movies? I don't know. Look at that mark that our top of our thingy left. Stick. Ow! Stupid thing. Look at that. Ugh. I'm stuck. I am clearly, and so is my coat. And I have no gloves on, so I can't touch the ground. Ugh. That's that big disc thingy. Oh God. Oh, Steve. Oh God. Wow. This is that big disc. Why does it look white on the camera? It's actually black. Maybe it's Michael Jackson. Just kidding. Why am I zooming in? That's not my room. My room's on the other side of the house. My hands are cold right now. Brr. Look at my hands. Don't they look cold? Don't you feel bad for my hands? Don't you feel bad? Look at them. They're freezing. Oh. Is that low on battery right there? Do I see low on battery signal? Right there. Well, you know what that means. No, I don't. Okay, well. Guess you don't know what that means. Neither do I. How many minutes do I have left? Ooh, stupid snowflake. Been filming for 21 minutes. Well, unicorn hat. Fluffy.